Taps, 3 going with your 5. How many?
Just one?
Right behind this party.
Thank you.
How many?
I want a big one.
Right here, friend.
Okay, so you hold one hand.
Ready, folks? Please remember to keep your hands, arms, paddles inside the canoe until told otherwise. Parents, please supervise your children.
And there, and then put it in.
Everyone else supervise Joe.
Put it into about right there. That's usually
Hope you guys are having fun. This is the fast part. Here you go. Paddle hard, guys. I'll see you in an hour.
like that, but you can probably hold the top of that, huh?
Hey, howdy guys.
Everybody else.
Yeah, how we doing today? Good. Are you ready to paddle?
Yeah!
Good. It's the only way we're gonna make it back. Everyone, let me show you how it's done. We're gonna have our outside hand facing the water here on the base, inside hand right on top. At the count of 3, everyone paddles in the water and stroke. 1, 2, 3, stroke. 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 Follow that pace, guys. Follow that rhythm. Follow the person in front of you. Make the exact same mistakes they are. If you need extra motivation, look right behind us. That's a big boat with the motor. We're gonna run over. Keep it up, everybody. Stroke. Good job, friends. Good job. There we go. Welcome to Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes, guys.
You're doing good, right?
My name is Joe. I'll be your river guide today. In the back steering is my buddy Wyatt. Everyone turn around and say howdy, Wyatt.
Howdy, folks. Keep on paddling.
That's right, guys. 3 rules here on the canoes. Rule 1, never stop paddling. You wound up on an actual canoe here at Disneyland. No track, no motor, no budget. So if you don't row, no go.
You only want to go forward, okay?
When I don't hold on to
No splashing, and
Because,
rule
but that
number
slows us
3,
down.
no standing up or switching sides.
Sorry.
I'm going to sit down and help out now as well. Keep it up, guys. Door frames up.
No, can you see when I'm going? Do it when I'm going or after I'm going.
Take it out of the water. Take it out of the water and then put it in. Like that. Like that. Yeah, but if you put your hand up here, like that hand, like that, you're better. What?
I don't like it like that. I think you're doing good, right?
Just make sure there you go. Perfect. Take it out of the water before you sit running. So look there.
Let's take some more work.
Look at the
Good job, guys. Good job. Anyone else feeling that burning right here?
Yes.
If
Like
you
it.
don't, you need to use paddle more. If you do, guys, just call that Disney magic. Let's do 3 more strokes. That's break time. All together. 1, 2, and 3. All right, guys. Catch your breath. Take a break. I earned it. All right, guys. Nice work. Who's having fun so far? Good, because this is all we do. Glad you like it. All right, guys, so we're now coming up on the Y tree. This tree right here is our halfway point. Congratulations. So good news and bad news. The good news is we're halfway done. But the bad news is this is where it gets dangerous on the second half, guys. We are now entering full public view. So we now have an audience. They're all watching us. And because this is Orange County, they're definitely judging us. That's right. I see you guys. Don't be alarmed. All you guys got to do, smile, paddle, and make this ride look like a good idea. Trick them like someone tricked you. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get going, everyone. Show them what's up. Actually, you know what? Let me get their attention. I really want to press it. Guys, on the island, you want to see something really cool? Watch this. I trained them myself how to paddle. Get ready to be impressed. At the count of 3, we're all going to paddle at the same time. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Watch this. Here we go. Paddles up. Count of 3. Ready, set, go. 1. Come on. We'll get on lap 2. Here we go. Paddles up. Let's try for real. 1, 2, 3. Stroke. Stroke. Keep it up, guys. I'm going to sit down and help out again. A lot bigger audience.
You're doing good, buddy.
We're going faster. Wait, Dad, is that where we should go? Oh, view. This is fun. You go do laps, Dad?
You like this, buddy? Okay, take it out. You got to take it all the way out before you put it in, okay? Because otherwise, if you stick it in there, it just goes down. So you got to, there you go, like that. Perfect. That's perfect. Because otherwise, if you're pushing back that way with it in the water, it slows us down.
Good job, guys. Great job.
We're getting there, buddy.
Did you do laps?
We got to go past the boat. You like it, somebody? It's cool.
Will we go again?
No, we go right around the corner, and then we're done.
Keep it up, guys. Keep it up. You know, I realized something. You all paddle much better when I stand up to watch. Alright, I don't know why. Keep it up, guys. We're almost done. Stroke. Stroke. And as you paddle, guys, watch this on the left. If you want to see something really funny, watch the video. Joe, take a break. Joe, take a break. Drag your paddles, guys. Drag your paddles. Drag those paddles to the water, guys. Thank you. Thank you. We're at this height for a bid, guys.
You did really good, dude.
Again, guys, stroke backwards. 1, 2, 3. Stroke. And stroke.
Back.
No, we're good. We're good. All right, guys. 2 strokes forward. 1, 2, 3. Stroke. And stroke. Paddles up. Inside the canoe like this. Fingers, hands, arms, paddles. Inside, everybody. Great job today. Hope you all had fun. You guys had fun, right?
Yes.
Who's going again? This guy. That's right.